Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode in Clickup in the updated 2026 layout. This is a small change, but it can make a big difference if you're spending long hours managing your Shopify store, answering customer emails, or planning tasks. It only takes a few seconds, but the settings are kind of tucked away, so let's walk through it. So the first thing you want to do is look to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile avatar. Go ahead and click that. This opens your personal settings menu. In that menu, click on Settings. This takes you to all your personal appearance and notification preferences. Basically everything that affects just your account, not the whole team. Once you're inside Settings, head to the section called My Settings or Preferences. This is where Clickup hides the theme options, alright? Now, look for the Appearance panel. You should see options for theme or color mode. Just select Dark Mode, and Clickup will switch instantly. No refresh needed, so you can see the change right away. If you want to customize things a bit, Clickup also gives you some alternate theme colors and contrast levels. You can try the darker blue theme or the softer gray one. This is helpful if you want something that matches your workspace vibe or just feels more comfortable during long work sessions. Just pick whatever feels easiest on your eyes. And yeah, one more thing. If the interface still feels too bright or too dim, you can tweak the sidebar contrast and the task view brightness. The sliders are in that same appearance area. It's super handy if you're working late at night, early in the morning, or just trying to reduce eye strain during long Shopify admin days. If you're using Clickup on your phone, just open the mobile app. Tap your profile icon in the top left and go to Settings. Under Appearance, choose Dark Mode. You can even set it to use System Theme so it switches automatically based on your phone's settings, which is great if you already use Dark Mode across your other apps. If Dark Mode isn't switching on for some reason, make sure your browser isn't forcing a theme override, and try logging out and back in. Clickup updates often, so it usually fixes itself pretty quickly. And that's it. That's how you enable dark mode in Clickup for 2026. Super easy and honestly way nicer on the eye, especially if you're in Clickup all day running your business.